Are you a business owner looking to reduce tax, retain top talent, and give your employees a meaningful benefit all in one smart move? Then you must know about the Employer-Employee Scheme, one of the most powerful tools for companies in India in 2025. In this video, I'll show you how it works and how employers can benefit the most from it. And yes, the entire scheme stays under the employer's control. The Employer-Employee Scheme is a life insurance arrangement where a company buys a life insurance policy on behalf of its employees. The company pays the premium, but the benefit goes to the employee or their family when the employer decides to assign the policy. Let's talk about the main benefits for employers. Full control over the policy. As long as the employer has not assigned the policy to the employee, the entire policy remains under the company's control, including premium payments, policy terms, and when or whether to assign it to the employee. This gives you the flexibility to assign it when you want, maybe after a few years of service, during retirement, or even as a performance reward. Tax benefits. Premiums are treated as a business expense under Section 37(1), helping reduce taxable income and saving big on corporate taxes. Employee retention and loyalty. When employees know a long-term benefit is waiting, they are more likely to stay. You decide when and how to assign the policy, which creates a powerful retention tool. Zero perquisite tax. The benefit is not treated as a taxable perquisite in the hands of the employee, making it a completely clean and goodwill generating benefit. Flexibility in plan selection. Choose LIC's most trusted plans like Jeevan Labh, Endowment, or ULIPs based on your budget and employee grade. Start as Keyman. Convert later. You can begin with a Keyman policy where the company is the beneficiary and convert it to an employer-employee scheme later. That's smart planning. Who can use this scheme? Any company like private limited, limited liability partnership, or partnership. Any salaried employee or director. Not available for partners where shareholdings are more than 51% or sole proprietors for themselves. Most importantly, the employer holds the full rights over the policy unless and until it is assigned to the employee. That means you stay in control and can plan assignments as per your HR goals or employee performance. To get started, you'll need basic documents. Employer-employee proof like salary slips, HR records, board resolution, KYC for the employee and the company, and guidance from a reliable insurance advisor. So if you're an employer looking to save tax, retain talent, and give meaningful long-term value, the LIC Employer-Employee Scheme is a smart, secure, and fully controlled benefit in your hands. Connect with us at Nuray Services. We'll help you select the right plan, structure the policy, and handle documentation professionally. Like this video, share it with business owners you know, and subscribe for more financial insights tailored for Indian employers.